Hi, I'm Olivia, and today I'm explaining how to use a breast pump in a simple, stress-free way. Before you start, wash your hands and find a calm spot. Charlotte says she likes a quiet room and a glass of water nearby. Assemble your breast pump and check that all parts are clean. Emily reminds moms to choose the correct flange size because comfort matters. Place the flange over your breast, keeping your nipple centered. Turn the pump on at the lowest setting. Sophie advises starting gently, then increasing suction slowly until it feels firm but never painful. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes, or until milk flow slows. You can switch sides if needed. Hannah likes to massage her breasts while pumping to help milk release. Once finished, turn the pump off before removing it. Pour the milk into clean storage bottles and label them with the date. Lucy recommends storing milk right away to keep it fresh. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and let them air dry. With practice and patience, pumping becomes easier and fits naturally into everyday life. This routine helps many working mothers feel confident, organized, supported, and relaxed daily at home comfortably.